Hey everyone, welcome back to LangPod AI. I'm Alex.
Hola a todos, soy Sofía. Bienvenidos.
If you're just joining us, this is the podcast where we learn Spanish together step by step.
Paso a paso.
Today is a big one. We're learning numbers in Spanish,
Los números.
and not just counting. By the end of this episode, you'll be able to give someone your phone number in Spanish.
Eso es muy útil. Very useful.
So whether you're traveling, making friends, or ordering 10 tacos instead of one, numbers matter.
10 tacos. That sounds like a good plan.
All right, let's start with the basics. Sophia, take us from 0 to 10.
Cero.
Cero. That one sounds pretty close to English. Easy start.
Uno.
Uno, like the card game.
Dos.
Dos, short and sweet.
Tres.
Tres. Think of the word tres like trace, but with a nice rolled R if you can.
Cuatro.
Cuatro. That's a fun one. Cuatro. 2 syllables.
Cinco.
Cinco. You might know this one from Cinco de Mayo.
Exactly. Seis.
Sees. It sounds like says. He says, she says, sees.
Siete.
C8. C-E-H-T. 3 syllables on that one.
Ocho.
Ocho. O-H-O. Almost like oh no, but ocho.
Nueve.
Nueve. N-W-E-H-V. That sound in the middle is key.
Y 10.
Diez. Diez. We made it to 10.
Muy bien. Very good. Let's say them all together a little faster. Cero, uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho, nueve, 10.
Beautiful. Listeners, try that with Sophia. Ready? Here we go.
Uno,
Uno.
dos,
Dos.
tres,
Tres.
cuatro,
Cuatro.
cinco,
Cinco.
seis, siete, ocho, nueve, 10.
Nice. Now, for phone numbers, we also need 11 through 20. Sophia?
Once,
Once. Careful, it looks like the English word once, but it means 11.
doce,
Doce.
trece,
Trece. See how it starts like tres? Trece. 3:13.
catorce,
Catorce. Like cuatro, but rearranged a bit.
quince.
Quince. Like the fruit, actually.
Now here is where it gets easier. 16 through 19 follow a pattern.
Oh, I love patterns. What's the trick?
It's 16, 17, 18, 19, 10 and 6, 10 and 7, 10 and 8, 10 and 9.
So you're literally saying 10 and 6 for 16? That's so logical.
Yes, but in modern Spanish, we write them as one word. 16,
16.
17,
17.
18,
18. I hear ocho in there. 8.
19,
19, and then 20.
20.
20. Got it.
Perfecto, Alex.
Okay, so now we have 0 through 20. Let's do the big ones. 30, 40, 50.
30,
30.
40,
40. I hear cuatro in there.
50,
50 and cinco means 5, so 50. Love it.
60, 70, 80, 90.
60, 70, 80, 90. They all end in enta. 60, 70, 80, 90.
Y 100.
100. 100. Great. Now, how do you combine them? Like 25?
25.
25. So 21 through 29 are also one word?
Sí. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25.
Okay, but what about 35 or 42?
Those are two words with Y in the middle. 35, 42.
35. So I means and, right? 30 and 5.
Exacto. 35.
Let me try one. 67. That would be 67?
Muy bien, Alex. 67. Perfect.
I'm feeling confident. 99?
99.
99. Awesome. Okay, listeners, let's talk about something super practical. Phone numbers.
Números de teléfono.
So, Sophia, how do people in Spanish-speaking countries say their phone numbers? Is it digit by digit like in English?
Good question. In many countries, we group numbers in pairs. So instead of 5551 234, we might say 55, 51, 23, 4.
Oh, interesting. So you read them as 2-digit numbers?
Sí, usually. But you can also say them one by one. Both are fine.
Good to know. So how do you ask for someone's phone number?
¿Cuál es tu número de teléfono?
Let me break that down. Qual means what, S means is, to means your.
Número de teléfono. Phone number.
So the whole thing is, what is your phone number? Say it again slowly, Sophia.
¿Cuál es tu número de teléfono?
¿Cuál es tu número de teléfono? Listeners, try that one out loud.
And if you want to be more formal, like with a stranger or someone older, you say, ¿Cuál es su número de teléfono?
So to becomes su for formal. Got it. Now, how do I answer? How do I give my number?
Mi número es.
Mi número es, my number is. Simple.
Let's practice with a fake number. Mi número es 5550123.
5550123. Let me try. Mi número es 5550123.
Excelente. Now let's try the paired way. The same number would be 55, 50, 12, 3.
All right, grouping in pairs. 55, 50, 12, 3. That does sound more natural.
It does. That's how most people say it in conversation.
What about other useful phrases with numbers, like at a restaurant or a store?
¿Cuánto cuesta?
¿Cuánto cuesta? That's a survival phrase right there. How much does it cost?
Cuesta $10.
Cuesta $10. It costs $10. What if I want to say, I want 3, please?
Quiero 3, por favor.
Quiero 3, por favor. We learned por favor in episode 1, right?
See, very good memory, Alex.
Let me try another phrase. How do you say I am 25 years old?
Tengo 25 años.
Wait, tengo? Doesn't that mean I have?
Yes. In Spanish, we say, I have 25 years, not I am 25 years old.
So it's literally, I have 25 years. Tengo 25 años. That's a big difference from English.
It is. And to ask someone's age, ¿cuántos años tienes?
¿Cuántos años tienes? Literally, how many years do you have? I love how direct Spanish is.
And the formal version, ¿cuántos años tiene usted?
Good. There's that formal register again. All right, one more useful number phrase.
La cuenta, por favor.
La cuenta, por favor. The check, please. You'll need that one at every restaurant.
And when you see the total, you can say, son $20.
Son $20. It's $20. Son means they are here?
See? Because you're talking about the total amount. It's like saying, they are $20.
Makes sense. Okay, everyone, let's put this all together with a practice conversation. Sophia, let's pretend we just met at a coffee shop.
Me encanta. I love it. Let's go.
Hola, Sofía. ¿Cuánto cuesta un café?
Cuesta $3.
$3. Ok, quiero uno, por favor.
Aquí tienes. Here you go. So, ¿cuántos años tienes, Alex?
Oh, tengo 32 años.
32. Qué bien.
¿Y tú cuántos años tienes?
Tengo 28 años.
28. Nice. Okay, here's the big one. ¿Cuál es tu número de telefónica?
Almost. Not Telefonica. It's teléfono.
Oh, ¿cuál es tu número de teléfono?
Ahora sí. Mi número es 541-3-2-8-7-0-9-0-2.
Okay, let me repeat that back. 541-3-2-8-7-0-9-0-2.
Perfecto. You got it.
Yes, I feel like I could actually do that in real life now.
You absolutely could. And remember, it's okay to ask someone to repeat. You can say, ¿Puedes repetir?
¿Puedes repetir? Can you repeat? That's a lifesaver.
Or even simpler, otra vez, por favor.
Otra vez, por favor. Again, please. Love that one.
Más despacio, por favor.
Más despacio. More slowly. If someone is rattling off numbers too fast, that's your go-to phrase.
Exactly. Nobody minds repeating. People appreciate that you're trying.
That's a great point. Okay, let's keep the practice going. Sofia, give me a math problem in Spanish.
Oh, fun. ¿Cuánto es 10 más 5?
10 más 5. Más means plus or more. So 10 plus 5 is quince.
Muy bien. ¿Y 20 menos 3?
Menos must be minus. 20 menos 3, 17.
Excelente, Alex. You're getting fast.
Listeners, try these at home Pause the episode and answer before Sophia gives the answer. It's great practice.
One more. ¿Cuánto es 32 más 8?
32 más 8. That's 40.
Perfecto. 40.
Okay, one more real-world scenario. Let's say I'm at a market and I want to buy some fruit.
Okay. I'll be the vendor. Buenos días. ¿Qué desea?
Hola, quiero 5 manzanas, por favor.
5 manzanas son $2.
$2. Ok, ¿y cuánto cuestan las naranjas?
Close. You should say, ¿cuánto cuestan las naranjas? When it's plural, we use cuestan instead of cuesta.
All right, cuestan for plural. ¿Cuánto cuestan las naranjas?
Cuestan $3 por 6.
$3 por 6. $3 for 6. Quiero 6, por favor.
Son $5 en total.
$5. Aquí tiene. Did I say that right? Here you go.
Perfecto. Aquí tiene is the formal here you go. Very polite.
Gracias.
Gracias a usted. Que le vaya bien.
I love that. Que le vaya bien. What a warm way to say goodbye.
We are warm people.
All right, everyone, let's do our recap. This was a big episode. Sophia, hit us with the key phrases one more time.
Numbers 0 through 10. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
11 through 15. Once, dosi, trece, catorce, quince. Those you need to memorize.
16 through 19 follow the DSE pattern. 16, 17, 18, 19.
And the tens. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
To ask for a phone number? ¿Cuál es tu número de teléfono?
To give your number, mi número es.
To ask a price. ¿Cuánto cuesta?
To ask someone's age, ¿cuántos años tienes?
To give your age, tengo años.
And those lifesaver phrases. Otra vez, por favor, más despacio, por favor.
Again, please. More slowly, please. So important.
Homework for this week. Practice counting to 20 in Spanish every morning. When you see prices at the store, try to say them in Spanish in your head.
And try saying your own phone number in Spanish. Practice until it feels natural.
Great tip. Next episode, we're going to cover days of the week, months, and how to make plans. Things like, see you on Monday, or my birthday is in March.
Qué emocionante. How exciting.
Until then, keep practicing those numbers. You're doing amazing.
Sí, están haciendo un trabajo increíble.
Thanks for listening to LangPod AI. I'm Alex.
Y yo soy Sofía. Hasta la próxima.
Hasta la próxima, everyone. See you next time.